Let's start. Best of luck.
The teacher explaining the lesson clearly. A, our B is C was. She, abroad since 2010. A, live B, has lived C, living. By the time you arrive, we, dinner. A, will have finished. B, finished. C, finish. He, never been to London before. A, have B, has C, had. Neither John nor his friends invited. A, are B, where C is. The film already started when we reached. A, had B, has C, have A. She, in the garden when it started to rain. A, sit B, sat C, was sitting. The boys playing football for 2 hours. A, was B, is C, have been. If I would not do that. A, were B, was C key. M. We, our homework before dinner yesterday. A, has finished. B, had finished. C, finished. The manager, not available at the moment. A, our B, is C, was. They insisted that she, present at the meeting. A, BB, is C, was. It's high time your mistakes. A, admitted. B, admits. C, admit. No sooner I sat down, then the phone rang. A has B, had C, have. The poor man, begging on the street. A was B where C is. By next June, she graduated. A has B, will have C, had. The students, preparing for their exams. A, where B, our C, was. He demanded that the report submitted immediately. A, B, B is C, was. "10 kilometers, a long distance to walk. A is B, are C, were. She said she seen him before. A has B, had C, have. Unless it, we will go for a picnic. A, rains, B, rain, C, rained. The girl, singing beautifully. A, B, B is C, R. The meeting, postponed yesterday. A was B, has C, is. He pretends as if he everything. A knew B, knows C, know. The thief arrested last night. A is B, was C, has. Either of the answers correct? A is B, are C, were. By the time we arrived, the train AA leave B had left C leaves. She suggested that I, early. A, come B, came, C, comes. The old man walking slowly. A was B, were C is. The police investigating the matter. A were B, are C is. We, waiting for him for an hour. A, have been. B, had been. C, was. She told me she, leaving. A, was B, were C, is. If he, more careful, he wouldn't fail. A, were B, was C, is. The book, written by a famous author. A, has B, was C, is. The children playing in the park. A, are B, is C, was. He said he never seen her before. A, has B, had C, have. By tomorrow, we completed the work. A, will have B, have C, had. She looks as if she, tired. A, were B, is C, was. The teacher suggested that the homework, done daily. A, B, is C, was. The team playing well this season. A, is B, are C, was. She said she, go to the market. A, will be, would see, shall. If I, him, I would not agree. A, were B, was C, am C. The students, studying for the exam all night. A has been, B had been, C have been. The train already arrived when we reached. A has B, had C, have. Either the teacher or the students responsible. A, are B, is CC, were. The boy, punished for being late. A, was B, is C, were. He, reading a book right now. A, was B, is C, were. The soldiers, fighting bravely. A, were B, are C, was. He insisted that I, honest. A, B, is C, was. She said she, tired yesterday. A is B, was C, were.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.